what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, man, it's cold out here. Temperature is 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Man, so the cold weather came with the fall here in the Midwest. Like, we get cold, but not this cold this early in the year or in the season, I mean. So yeah, today I'm on my way to work. I want to talk to you guys about the battery and what you guys do during this season. If you live in all four seasons, fall and winter could be very cold, and if anybody knows anything about these lithium batteries, is that you don't want to leave them in the cold for too long, and or at least extreme cold. I think it was funny when I finished my last video. Temperature that day was like 74 degrees Fahrenheit, and man, it was beautiful. And then within a day and a half, we dropped to like the mid-20s during the overnight hours. So yeah, drastic temperature changes here in the Midwest, and you just gotta be prepared if you want to continue riding your Super 73 or any other form of bike or e-bike. But for me, I immediately removed the battery, and because I keep my bikes in my garage, so I removed the battery and I bring it inside my house. And so I just wanted to get feedback from some of you out there with all these issues with lithium batteries catching fire. We've seen it in New York City and in other states as well, and man, it's not fun. Jeez, houses burn down. Yeah, it can really hurt someone too. Your neighbors, etc., etc. So yeah, not a good scenario, but we should be prepared for that, right? So yeah, so like I said myself, I'm bringing my battery inside because I don't want it to degrade with extreme temperature changes. But I don't really have anywhere but maybe my oven. Like I've seen some suggestions online to, you know, make sure that you're keeping your things safe. So for me, it's about degradation. I don't want it to die faster than it should because I keep it in very extreme weather, pretty much under freezing temperatures. So yeah, what are you guys doing out there? Do you guys have any special compartments at home? I don't know, are you guys keeping it in your oven? I've seen a lot of suggestions out there like that on different social media places, but yeah, I think that whole lithium batteries catching fire, that's a crazy thing. That's wild. Most of the fires that I've seen on TV or, you know, have read about on the internet, none of them look like major brand bikes. I don't know where they're coming from. I don't know who's making these batteries. So we do have to take into account all that stuff because if they're being cheaply made, man, you're asking for it, right? Okay, so yeah, so you can't really compare the two things. I would like to believe that even though Super 73 might not be perfect, I expect that wherever they get the batteries made from, that those people are taking extra cautionary measures. Quality control has got to be up there because, man, I mean, we're paying premium price for this bike. So I expect premium battery components and, you know, the way they make it, yeah, all that good stuff. So yeah, man, yeah, all those fires, man, it sucks for those people, and it's sad. that. You know, some people get hurt, some people get burned, and man, you're scarred for life. Shoot. But yeah, so yeah, to wrap up this video, I just been bringing my batteries inside my house. I keep them on a pantry, just on the counter there. I have a little section for them, and that's where they stay. I don't really mess with them too much unless I'm gonna ride like today. Yeah, so yeah, man, everything's good. And we're gonna hope that the batteries continue to behave in the way that they have been so far, for me at least. Before I leave you guys, yeah, man, I'm using my GORE-TEX gloves. I bought them this year, actually. I'm sorry. Yep, I actually made a video on them, but I made the video during the spring. So if you get to the end of the video and you're interested in gloves for these type of temperatures, like freezing temperatures, then check out my video. I also have a link in the description. And with that, I'll leave you guys. Thank you for showing up today. Yeah, videos have been slow just because temperatures have been super cold. Not super cold, that's not the right word. Temperatures have been frigid. Yes, frigid. So that's how we get here in the Midwest. But with that, hey, much love out there. Upon making this video, we are close to 200 subscribers. Hey, at 250, I'm gonna drop that cup holder, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy that. Catch you guys soon. Peace.